got my CV right. I started off and I got the exposure to do the mining sector. Started here as a normal ADT operator, worked my way up. Yes, we closed down, got retrenched 2017, and again after 2 years we started again, and it was 2020, 2020. I studied again. I did theology. After that, they called me and said that, listen, we're gonna start again mining. We are doing good at the mine, and I got the opportunity to go study again. I did my ComSoc 1 and my ComSoc 2. When you fail and work your way up in a company, commit yourself and represent yourself to that company. Remember, the company will look after you. I'm also not perfect. I still make mistakes, but I have a desire to do better with my life. And I have a desire to encourage others to do better with their lives. Yes, I have lose some, I have win some, and I still want some in my life to have a better life, not only for me, but to provide for my family. So when I'm not on this earth anymore, I want to leave something behind so that they can't struggle. If you fail, don't leave it there. You need to get up and start again, because failure is actually something that wants you to exceed. You as yourself, you must have that perspective and that vision and that desire to do something good for yourself and to provide for your family one day. Especially here in the mine, we have that opportunity to talk to people, really great people I'm working with, to guide us and to say, listen here, but you need to do that, you need to do that. You can take the advice somehow or some way and still fail. But if you take it and you do something about it, you will see, you will cherish and you will reach your goal and you will make changes in somebody else's life. So all of you, if you feel you're in a corner today and think for yourself that I won't even be able to make it, but remember there is someone much more bigger that is alive, and his name is God. Trust in him and he will make everything possible. Remain the person who you are and remain focused